Hi everyone, and welcome to the third episode of the series Vertex Fun. Today I'm very proud to share with you a video with a project combining Vertex with an AI engine. AI is everywhere today, so why don't have AI inside a media server project for your event or your installation? This implementation is very useful for museums, is very useful for TV shows, for example, or live events, anywhere where you want to entertain your audience and you want to have some fun with them, have some smiles, and maybe share a gadget. And why not also collecting emails can be possible with this tool. So feel free to contact me if you see anything interesting for you, or if you want more technical details on the project. And yeah, let's have fun together. So here you can see our project. Just to give you an overview of what you see here, we have our Vertex control view interface. This can be seen as a touchscreen, full HD touchscreen surface, where we can control our content and our scene. And here we have our render editor, where now we have just a vertical screen, but we can have an LED screen, we can have a projection mapping, or we can have full HD output to recording, whatever. This can be really anything that the Vertex render engine can handle. We can also be in a session with this project. So maybe this is a huge screen made of 20 projectors and whatsoever. The project consists in a phase swap integration. So we have Vertex on our machine, and we have a phase swap service online where we send the images and we get back our swapped face. We have some famous paintings here, but we can have also AI generated images, as well of pictures of maybe heroes, from the Avengers, or anything that you can imagine as a subject. So for example, now I choose Beethoven and I choose Obama and I process the images. As you can see, we have these glitch layer going over the pictures, and we have the same effect on the control view and in the render editor, because the Vertex control view is so powered that can also play back videos. And voila, we have our Beethoven picture with the Obama face on it. This is very fun. Once we have the picture, we can also send the picture via email to our customers. So our customer has his face on his pictures, and if we can type my email here and send the email, and the email is gonna be collected. So we have here our list of emails. Of course, I'm just testing the project, but here we can have our collection of emails, our database of emails. We can export to Excel and use it as our GDPR compliance says. Let's check if we have the email. We should have a new message here. Voila, we have the message here. We can personalize the text, of course. This is just a Vertex script generating this message. And we have also here the picture that the client can save, and we can have, for example, overlays on the picture with advertising or QR codes to invite people doing things. It can be really a quite strong hook to entertain the audience and have a gadget for them, they can print it, they can have fun with it, anything that actually a photo booth can do. So back to our project. Last but not least, how can we load new images into the project? So we have basically two ways here. One way is through an NDI input. So here we have an NDI input coming from my phone. I'm opening the app now on my phone. Okay, it's working, so I'll show you with the camera. As you can see here, I have my phone with an NDI cam on it, and I can just take a picture of myself, and we go to desktop, and now you see the picture here. I can take another, and voila, we have the picture that we take directly from the camera in our pool. So I can choose the picture now, and we can stick with Beethoven, or we can choose something more fun like this one or this one, and just process the image. So as you can see here in the scripting, I'm sending the images to the server, and then I'm requesting back the result. It can take more or less 20 seconds of time. Sometimes it's easier, sometimes it's slower, but as you can see, we have the result now with the face of my on this veggie picture that I don't remember the name, but it's quite fun. And the other way we have is, as you can see here, we have a QR code. So potentially you can have your client coming to your installation, take a picture of the QR code, go to the link, and find a web page. So I'm now opening the web page on my mobile. The web page is this one, as you can see here. Is a Vertex generated web page. I have it also on my phone, as you can see here. This is my web page. And what I do here, I just click upload picture, tap upload picture, take photo or video. I take another picture of myself, and I use the photo, and voila, the photo is in my pool. So let's do something else now. Let's try this one, for example. So I now process the picture, and pending, as you can see, we receive also status from the server. It can also give error. It can happen because maybe the picture, oh voila, I say that and it happens. So it can happen that the face is not recognized, and so we get failed. So let's choose, for example, Einstein on this one, and just process the images and see what happens. And voila, we have this Einstein with the tongue on the picture. And yeah, so yeah, this is it. Let me know if you have any comments, if you like the video, or if you want to go deeper into the technicality of this system that is quite complex in the way it's you know, integrated. Is actually a software into a media server. So Vertex has a high potential in this kind of stuff, and this is the result. So thank you for watching, and see you next time. Ciao ciao.